contagious. I can be empty, but I'm not nameless. The way that you love me, the way that you love me. I can be patient,
get better, but you guys see that red dot?
I can be shook up, but I'm not shaken. I can be angry,
that's what I'm looking
but I'm
at.
not jaded.
And both eyes are open.
The way that you love me.
And yeah, put that dot on your target and pull the trigger. Yes, this is a felon. We picked him up on urinating in public charges.
Yeah.
And indecent exposure to turtles.
Yes. And spreading communist propaganda.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
I've been bailed out of chat.
Yeah, yeah.
Someone just said.
Yeah. We just bailed Liddick out of jail,
How
guys.
much was it?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's worth $69 or something.
Oh, this is the Hooker Mile, Liddick.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
What's all that?
Hey! Hey! That Mom's life, because the doctor actually pulled me out by the beard. And, you know, so...
That's a beautiful story,
Yeah.
by the way.
True story.
Yeah,
Saved me and my mom's life because, you know, I was born with a beard. It was a lot longer back then. So, yeah.
I saw the birthing video.
You saw, oh, boy.
That was something to be seen.
I don't want you to picture that. Golly, it's
Well, I don't know,
it's a
just
graphic of
add
enough.
some reference.
It's a graphic of enough
Dude,
story. We don't
the
have to.
implications of a beard and all those vagina liquids.
What the? Dude, what the hell? I'm not telling that story no more. You guys are weird.
It's like a Six Flags water park.
Oh God, you guys.
This is that face when
I'm killing his address.
you had your nipples rubbed and you were strangled all
What?
in the same
Whoa,
30
whoa,
seconds.
whoa! Where are you going with
You,
that?
you're the one that shoved the shirt in here,
I
man.
did not rub no nipples.
I feel like this is some bondage. Like,
No.
going on here.
No. I did not. My hand never touched no nipple. You, I don't know if you're cold. You ain't that cold. All right. Ready when you are. All right, we go.
Fire in the hole! Am I hitting the flower? Well, the flares didn't ignite. God, that is, look at that.
Yeah, boy.
We're gonna get dusted with flour here in a second.
No, don't worry, Steven. Keep calm. We're we're okay. Don't. Yeah, we're good.
Oh my goodness! I'm not okay with that. That's good.
That was actually really cool.
That's really cool.
Oh man. There we go. All right. That's how you start a fire safely, guys. Oh, you started a fire over there? Yeah, that never mind. Sorry. It's not gas, it's kerosene. It burns a lot slower. Say it like you got something wrong with you. Saying it looked like a potato. Oh my gosh, a potato? You're more like, you, if anything, you look like the upper half of a hot dog. I mean, that's I mean, if I'm gonna pick something, I'd pick the top of a hot dog before I'd pick a potato. See, that's so. Let's think about this. Of course, he might not be horny. I mean, he's horny, but I don't know if he's horny for you, who you're portraying to be. See what I mean, guys? Psychology. So, I think he might be more apt to give us address if it was a girl and or the guy. So if it's, let me go with this. Now when I say weed makes you dumb, it's like every stoner that I come in contact with, almost without exception, are talking like, hey man, eyes roll in the back of their head, what up? I'm like, you're dumb. In that moment, you're dumb. You can't make a coherent sentence, you're dumb. I'm not saying you're a dumb person, but you're having a dumb moment because you're under the influence of something. Wanna smoke some weed? Like, no. Lay off, bud. And you stink. Because you always stink. I love the nut breaking. That didn't sound right. Sorry. I mean, I love that sound of these bolts coming loose. Do you play Fortnite? Nope. I don't meet the age requirements of 7 years old and younger and female to play Fortnite. This is, guys, 90% of the stream's in the car. So, yeah. 90% of the stream's in the car. But you know what? If you're not satisfied with 90% of it being in the car, there's 100% of people sitting in their chairs on just about every other channel on Twitch. So if you'd rather watch that, please do. Huh? Oh, I know he took off. Where'd he go? Down here? Yeah, well, more cops are coming. Gosh. How am I running for the day?
Use your gloves. Nothing else on you, right?
Is this the last review you got?
Yep. Copy that, Tim, bro. I'll let you guys know what happened after this arrest. Stand by. This is codename Jebediah Abernathy.
Yeah, go ahead and kick it. Go and kick it. I need you to put your hands up. Put your hands up. Step
There, the gun. He was walking towards that gun that was right over. They just sit
over
down.
here. Keep him where your hands where you can see him.
Police is what I want to do.
No, you're too late, bud. We gave you the offer. Hey, if you don't put your hands up on the wall, you're going to get tased.
You know I don't have a gun, dude.
I don't know that. Here, go and put him in cuffs. I got him for you.
You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later gotta cut you down, sooner or later gotta cut you down.